Hey guys, it's your boy Steve here, and today I will be unboxing these packages from Buyee and Mercari. And yeah, this is a good package from Osaka, and yeah, it will be really honored that I will be open up right now, and I'm gonna show you what it is. Yeah, so yeah, I use Buyee. This is my second time to use Buyee, and so yeah, it arrives, and now it's time to me to unbox this. All right, here we go. Next up, we have this one. This is very small. It's a box of cardboard, and yeah, let's do it. Let's check what it is. There we go. Oh yes, that's what I got. It's this. This is very awesome to have this. This is really awesome. And next we have this package. Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah. It's weird. It's Yahoo Shopping, and Mercari. And let's do it. What a view. Wait, come on, open up. Open up. Yeah, these tapes aren't going. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't want to get some cuts. There we go. Is it? Yay! Yatta! Woohoo! It finally arrived here, and this is very good. Yeah, what could I have? 2 art books. Yeah, and that's the same message to a seller. I get it gozaimasu. And then I will be back in Tokyo and Osaka till like next year. Yeah, we could get more till we could shop for at Mandrake and the other shops we can buy. And thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time for the next video. My new film will be coming soon. Will be released on this summer. And have fun, and see you soon.